Here is how to generate a QR code for free using Canva. So let's get started. Once you've reached Canva, click on More that's written on the left, and here select Apps. Over here just search for QR code. And now select the first option. It's important you select this one, so just see the name and the logo, since all the other ones are third-party app and this one is made by Canva. After selecting it, we have two options to add this QR code in existing designs or use it in a new design. So if you already have a design and you just want to add a QR code, then select this option. But for now, I'll select Use a New Design. Then here, we have to select a size. So for now, I'll just select Logo. That's here. And as you can see, over here we have our page, and now from here we can generate a QR code. So over here, just enter the URL, just put any link that you'd want this QR code to lead to, and then if you click on customize, we have some options. So we can select the background color, the foreground color, and the margin. So the margin decides how much gap to leave on all four sides. So for now, I won't change anything, and I'll click on generate code, and as you can see, we've got the QR code over here. And now if you want to make one change, let's say to the background color, then here we can just change the color, let's say to this, and then click on update code, and as you can see, it's changed. Then over here we can resize the QR code, so if you wanted to fit in the square, we can do that, and now it's ready. So to save this, just click on share, that's on the top right, then here click on download, just select PNG and click on download, and it's done. Let's see how it looks. As you can see, a QR code is generated and it's all ready. So this is how it works, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.